My name is Jeffrey bin Muhammad Zain. Normally people call me Jeff. I joined on 16 June 1995.
Nama saya Zaufi bin Mahali, atau lebih dikenali dengan panggilan OP di kalangan kawan-kawan sekerja.
My name is Raja Nazima binti Raja Syahminan. I joined Petronas in 1981, December to be exact.
Nama saya Awang bin Enggal. Saya mula bertugas dengan Petronas pada 15 Januari tahun 1984.
I'm Rohaida Abdul Rashid. It was the year where Petronas decided to have their own LNG ship in 1996.
My name is Lu Eng Chuan. So I've served MISC in being a subsidiary of Petronas Group since 1980.
This will be my 39th years with Petronas.
Tahun ini masuk tahun ke-36.
25 years.
36 tahun.
3 years.
Saya ni anak nelayan. Orang kampung susah. Saya anak sulung. Jadi saya sebenarnya terpaksa cari satu alternatif lain. Sebab apa? Saya tak boleh jadi nelayan. Saya jenis mabuk laut. Tapi bila dapat sebagai anggota Polis Bantuan Petronas ni, saya tak pernah fikir pun saya nak kekal lama. Saya fikir itu hanyalah satu batu loncatan bagi saya. Tetapi lama-kelamaan minat tu datang sendiri.
Selepas SPM, saya menganggur setahun. Saya bertugas sebagai seorang nelayan. Kerja tiap-tiap hari ke laut. Kalau tak ada ikan, pendapatan pun tak ada. Bertugas di Petronas, segala-galanya berubah.
I remember joining the ship in Singapore, and it was about midnight where the ship come alongside, and this is the first time I've seen a ship, a merchant going ship, you know. I've never seen a ship before.
The first staff who basically addressed me is Allahyarham Brother Man, and he said to me, "My name is Solomon Raymond," and I was like, "Am I in the right place?" You know.
Before we were introduced to Punch Card, we have to write our name, department and arrival time in the logbook. Once past the time, 8 a.m., the security will make a line. So you will know who are the latecomers. And so is when you return back, you have to sign out again.
Nowadays, communication is so, what they call, so advanced that you can track your ship. You can see in office and track where it's trading, which part of the ocean are they, you know. Everything is instantaneous. As compared in the early 80s where it's all telex.
Saya terlalu berbangga, terlalu gembira sehingga saya menangis di depan mak saya dan memberitahu mak saya, "Mak, aku dah dapat pekerjaan di Petronas." Mak aku pun dah menangis juga ketika itu.
While I was in lubricant business, I have an opportunity to basically have a business trip to a very remote island lah. The name of the island is Samoa, where one distributor approached us to become the main distributor for islands in the Pacific. So this one gentleman that I remember it very well until now, when he got to know that I'm a Muslim, so he basically do a research, and in a few days he emailed me again, said that, "Okay, I know that you can eat this list of things, that you can eat this thing, you need to perform prayers." So he actually send me the praying time. Okay, it will make you comfortable when you arrive lah. By working with Petronas actually exposed me to things that not in my wildest dreams that I could ever imagine lah.
I think for the last 5 years, we make it a point to visit rumah orang tua Al-Ikhlas in Puchong. So the saddest part is sometimes you go and visit there and that lady is no more there. But this special lady, when I arrived, she was like so happy, and she told me, "Kenapa dah lama tak datang?" As if she was waiting for someone all this while. So I was in a way shocked, but I do entertain her. I hug her, I sat on her bed, talked to her. So that was a very wonderful feeling. Yeah.
I've been to upstream, downstream, and now corporate. we feel that we are one big family. I even witnessed there's one colleague, a young guy, passed away, and that day, the first person to go to the grave and to dig up everything is our office colleagues, and I was touched by it, because you know that if anything happened to you, your colleagues will be there for you.
One of those are in 2008, where in August we have one ship, Bunga Melati 2, which was hijacked by the Somali pirates. I was the so-called at the time was one of the operation managers in charge of the vessels. So it was a tense moment for us, you know, because we had almost maybe 50 crew all in. Their lives depend on their safety, you know. We keep track of the vessels crossing there, that they call us every 6 hours. And then so happened the captain called, say we saw a skip boat coming in, and I think they're going to capture us. So we say, okay, be calm, you know, do whatever you can, but most importantly, the safety of the crew.
Ya, Petronas mengubah hidup saya dari segi perwatakan, disiplin, keuangan, sosial. Jadi banyak yang saya dapat daripada Petronas sebenarnya. Pertama kali kita rasa pegang duit sendiri.
Dari segi ekonomi dan ilmu pengetahuan. Yang pertama ekonomi adalah untuk membangunkan keluarga saya supaya menjadi keluarga yang lebih baik daripada dulu kan. Dan dari segi pengetahuan dan ilmu pengetahuan ialah selagi mana kita hendak memajukan diri, Petronas akan memberi peluang kepada setiap kaki tangan yang berada di Petronas. Itu adalah impak yang terbesar. Sejak daripada itu saya merasa banyak kemajuan-kemajuan yang saya dapati daripada saya menyertai Petronas. Lepas dapat pekerjaan dengan Petronas, totally independent dan dapat membangun keluarga saya. Sampai saya boleh menghantarkan anak saya ke universiti. Kedua ibu bapa saya sudah meninggal dunia. Andai mereka ada sekarang, mungkin saya akan memberitahu mereka, anak kamu dah berjaya.
Okay, I think Petronas, the group, have given us ample opportunity to excel in our job in terms of interacting with different people, with different nationalities, and this has, in terms of shipping as well as shore-based, you know, job, the group, there's a synergy between us in Petronas culture, in terms of cultural belief, has even drive each and every one of us to excel. Okay, when we are carrying cargoes towards international water, we are the team like mengibar bendera Malaysia di lautan antarabangsa. When everybody look at the funnel, they know it's from Malaysia, it's from MISC.
When I witnessed before my eyes, people develop themselves. I was in one department before, project management office, competency, and during 1.5 years I was there before the transformation, we managed to certify 10 PMP certified practitioners in Petronas. And successfully, these 10 people that we have certified are now at higher places, internationally assigned. You can see opportunities everywhere in Petronas. It's about you putting your passion in action.
When I joined Petronas, I was only 21 years old, and come this August, I will be 60 years old. So you can imagine 39 years of my life in Petronas, from being single to being married to being a mother and to being a grandmother. So I am very, very grateful for my time in Petronas and for the opportunities given for me to perform and climb up the ladder. I think I will miss friends and colleagues and bosses and everything at Petronas. After 39 years, I think almost 4 decades in Petronas. I think if you cut my veins, you'll see green blood flowing.
Lebih dari 2 dasawarsa kita lewati. Tak terasa waktu begitu cepat berlalu. Terima kasih atas segala yang kau telah berikan untukku. Mendewasakan aku dalam rencah kerjaya, meneroka sumber berharga demi memakmur persada tercinta. Satu cinta hanya untukmu, Petronas. Aku bangga menjadi bagian dari kisahmu.
I've seen, the company in good times, challenging times, but through that experience, given our shared values, our culture beliefs, we pull through, especially when there's real challenge that faces the company. This year, we're facing unprecedented challenges. I believe together, with the strong determination and the experience, and as a team, I believe we will get out of this time much stronger. You are our strength, you are our hope, you are our heroes.